AI is not taking your job, but someone using AI might. I help student professionals and entrepreneurs use AI and proven system to unlock better opportunities, income and growth. If you want to retain your job or move to better one, you need to evolve your skills. Companies are looking for professionals who can use AI to improve productivity, make better decisions and drive results. Through Global Association of AI.org certifications and free mentor programs, you can learn exactly how to apply AI in your field. This is how you stay relevant, increase your value, and unlock high paying opportunities. So, if you are serious about your career growth, follow me. I will show you how to stay ahead.
Professionals who learn and adopt AI today are staying ahead in a rapidly changing job market. AI is no longer optional. It is becoming essential for career growth and long-term job security. The global AI market is projected to reach $1.3 trillion by 2030. Nearly 40% of job tasks can be automated using AI technologies. More than 60% of professionals are already using AI tools in their daily work. AI is reshaping how work is done across every industry. AI will not replace professionals, but professionals using AI will replace those who do not. The biggest risk today is not losing jobs, but failing to adapt to AI. Those who adopt AI early will unlock new career opportunities and growth. AI is creating new job roles such as AI specialists, automation experts, and data analysts. These roles focus on building intelligent systems, automating workflows, and analyzing data. Professionals with AI skills are in high demand globally. AI helps professionals get better job opportunities by optimizing resumes. AI tools can tailor resumes for specific roles and improve chances of passing screening systems. This increases the chances of getting shortlisted for interviews. AI enables smarter interview preparation by simulating real interview scenarios. Professionals can practice answers and improve communication skills. This builds confidence and helps deliver better performance in interviews. Building AI portfolio projects is one of the most powerful ways to stand out. Real-world projects demonstrate skills, innovation, and problem-solving ability. This gives professionals a strong competitive advantage. AI-skilled professionals earn 20 to 50% higher salaries compared to others. Combining projects with certifications accelerates career growth. AI also helps professionals protect their current jobs by automating repetitive tasks. Professionals can save 30 to 50% of their time. This allows them to focus on high-value and strategic work. AI helps professionals deliver faster and better results. It improves productivity, efficiency, and output quality. This makes professionals more valuable within their organizations. AI can be used for reports, analysis, and professional communication. Tasks that previously took hours can now be completed in minutes. This significantly improves overall performance. AI users are nearly 2 times more productive than non-AI users. This productivity advantage plays a major role in career growth and recognition. Certifications help professionals future-proof their careers. Global AI certifications build credibility and increase job opportunities. Certified professionals are more trusted by employers. Professionals with AI certifications can earn 20 to 40% higher salaries. Certifications validate skills and improve career prospects. Learning large language models and prompt engineering opens advanced opportunities. Generative AI is transforming industries such as business, marketing, and technology. Professionals who master these tools can work on cutting-edge applications. Cloud platforms combined with AI create powerful career opportunities. Professionals can build, deploy, and scale AI solutions using cloud technologies. This combination is highly valued in the industry. Professionals with AI and cloud certifications can earn 30 to 50% higher salaries. This makes it one of the most rewarding career paths. AI also creates multiple income opportunities beyond regular jobs. Professionals can start freelancing by offering AI services to global clients. Services include content creation, automation, and data analysis. Consulting is another high-value opportunity. Professionals can help businesses implement AI solutions and improve workflows. This leads to high-paying engagements. AI enables side income opportunities such as creating courses, tools, and digital products. These can generate passive income over time. Professionals can start earning around $500 per month initially. With experience and scaling, income can grow to $5,000 or more. AI can become a powerful source of additional income. The demand for AI jobs is growing 3 times faster than other roles. Millions of new AI-related jobs are being created globally. AI skills are among the highest paying and most in-demand skills today. The best way to succeed is to follow a structured action plan. Start by learning AI tools and understanding practical applications. Build real-world projects to showcase your skills. Get certified in AI, LLM, and cloud technologies. Apply for better job roles using optimized resumes. Start building side income streams using AI. Take control of your career today by adopting AI. Every day without AI skills is a missed opportunity. Start now and unlock new growth, career success, and income opportunities.